I've been searching for memories when we were so young. But then I noticed the smell of junipers taking me back where I belong. What it feels to be loved, even when we're on our own. We could all come together to the place we call our home. Roads that lead to promised lands, bring the bumps and holes.